Hey there, Facebook users. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to find public posts only on your account page in Facebook using your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile photo icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Next, click on your name to open your profile. Step 4. Look for the label Posts and click on Filters next to it. Step 5. Next to Privacy, click on the drop-down menu. Step 6. Select Public to filter for public posts only. Step 7. Click on Done. That's it. You have successfully found public posts only on your account page. Explore and engage with posts that are visible to everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.